I've done one of the valve covers, now I'm going to do the second one. So I'm just going to show you. Okay, so 2 valve covers ready to go. So before I put the valve covers, I'm going to spray some fogging oil just to lubricate camshafts. They are lubed with assembly oil, but I'm just going to spray a little bit of fogging oil on these caps and everywhere else. I have applied silicone on the actual gasket, so I'm not going to bother to put it here just because it's a bit more difficult. And I'm going to apply some silicone here as per the manual. This is the joint between the timing chain covers and the actual head. When you're fitting these gaskets, it might appear that they're a bit too long, but as obviously they're brand new, they've never been in place, so it takes a little bit of play, a little bit of time to play with them until they actually fit in place. So that's good and tidy. Now I'm happy with this. So I'm going to proceed with the other side as well.